how to find your Roblox pin if you forgot it. And that's what I'm going to show you guys in this very quick video. So let's get started right away. Now, all you basically want to do is simply go to Roblox. And once you're here, you just want to scroll all the way down. And here you can see help. So simply click on help. And once you're here, you want to click on Roblox account. So click on there. And here you should see I forgot the pin under account settings right there. So click on it. And here it says I forgot the pin. Once a pin is added to an account, it will be needed to make changes to the account settings and blah, blah, blah. So if you forgot it, you want to contact customer support and please use the contact form. So we're going to click on there and it will open up a new tab. And here you have to fill in your username, your first name, email address, confirm your email address. And here you want to issue the details. So what device are you having the problem on? So I'm going to select PC. I don't think this really matters anyway what you choose, but I'm on PC, so I'm just going to choose PC. And then over here, the type of help category, you want to click on account. You want to click on account hacked or can't log in. Then here you can select the account PIN. And now Roblox knows exactly why you are contacting them. So you want to fill in your issue, basically just saying that you forgot your Roblox PIN and explain it to them. And hopefully they will get back to you in a couple of hours or a couple of days. And you will get your PIN back or reset or recovered, whatever. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know if it did. And I'll see you next time.